In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find files in Dropbox. If you've been using Dropbox for a while, you might have a lot of files stored there, and finding specific ones can sometimes feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a few simple steps that will make locating your files a breeze. Let's start by making sure you're logged into Dropbox. Head over to the Dropbox website and either log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main Dropbox page, which is kind of like the home screen for all your files. Now, your account is really your personal hub, so it's where all the magic begins. In the top right corner, you'll see your account icon. Go ahead and click on that. This step might seem minor, but it's an important part of ensuring that you're operating with all the features at your disposal. Next, it's time to get to the heart of the process, the search. To find the search bar, look towards the upper part of your screen. Dropbox has it conveniently placed, so it's easy to access whenever you need to find something. Click into the search bar, and this is where you'll type in the name of the file you're looking for. Having a specific file name in mind can really help narrow down the search results. Keep in mind that Dropbox's search function is pretty versatile. Even partial names or keywords related to what you're searching for can yield helpful results. After you've entered the file name or keyword into the search bar, hit enter. Now watch as Dropbox does its thing. It will pull up a list of files that match your search criteria. Here's a little tip. If you're not sure of the exact file name, try typing in common terms or phrases you used when saving the file. This can be a real lifesaver for those moments when the file name momentarily escapes you. Once Dropbox has brought up the options, scan through the list of results. When you spot the file you're looking for, simply click on it. And there you go. You're now exactly where you want to be. You can open, download, share, or take any other actions you need with the file. Finding files in Dropbox doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these steps, you can effortlessly navigate your Dropbox account and keep everything organized. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon searching for files will be second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and happy file hunting.